Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a swatches for the beautiful Maybelline vinyl ink, and I have a bunch of them. I have about like 11 of them, so I'm gonna make a swatches with all these beautiful babies right here. And yeah, it's kind of a swatches. I have swatches on my lips, and at the same time, it's a quick review. So I guess let's get into it. Before we jump in these swatches, I will just like say the review about it. So about these beautiful babies, I really like them. They are so pigmented and they are like last really long time, and most of them doesn't transfer on your hands, which is good. And in the same time, it gives you this beautiful kind of not glossy feeling or glossy look. It's not super glossy, it's kind of a really soft gloss in it, so it's not completely matte like the matte Super Stay Matte ink from the Maybelline, because I love them so much and I have a bunch of them and I need to make another swatches for them. I have, I guess, two videos for the swatches, like a quick review and one detailed swatches. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you are interested to check them out. But for these beautiful, it's not super matte, it's like it's really super stay and it stays the whole day even with eating, and I really love about them. They are doing this job, but in the same time it gives you this soft kind of a glossy lips, which is amazing. It's not sticky, which is beautiful for me because I don't like the sticky. And if I want to intensify the glossy look, I apply like a lip gloss over them and give them like a more vibrant color and more glossy look, which is amazing. So you can play with them. But for me, I really love them. I love all of them. The most used is number 100. It's Charmed, because it's kind of a soft coral one. It's nice because I work as a psychiatrist now, so I'm not allowed to use a very vibrant color if I'm gonna apply makeup, just very subtle, and I use only subtle colors, so this is the most use of them. But overall, I love Koi, which is this beautiful one. I really love it. And also I love Cheeky and Witty, which is these two. This is Witty, and this is Cheeky. I really love these two as well. And if I'm going to more red color, I have these two reds. This is Wicked and this is Royal. I used them in my last video, 4th of July makeup. And also I'm gonna link in the card description box down below. First I used Wicked, but I felt that it's kind of a light red than I wanted to be in this makeup video, so I decided to use Royal over it, and the mix of these two is amazing. Give you that beautiful red color if you want to. So yeah, so let's jump into the swatches and show you how it looks like on my lips. And yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, before we jump into the swatches, when you decide to use this beautiful, you need to shake it, okay? Hear that? There's something inside. Shake the color together. I don't know what's inside, but you need to shake it before you use it, so that you have the nice layout of the color. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use and we're gonna do. So let's go to the swatches.
There must be more to life than this.
Charmed.
From him send me tonight. I run away. I run away. I run away.
activate it.
We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away.
Okay, can you see this glossy finish? It's not super glossy as I told you, and as you can see, looks beautiful. It's soft but not super matte. So I really love the finishing, and when you leave it completely dry, because it's a little bit wet now, if you leave it completely dry, the color stays on for a long period of time. That's what I'm talking about. And yeah, so let's get into it. Keen.
Run away. Run away. Run away. Try to find a place in this world.
A little bit. Pippi. Cheeky. Koi. Libby.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Witty.
Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Unrivaled.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like this.
Wicked.
We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Royal.
This beat is OD.
Okay, that's it. I did swatches for the 11 colors that I already have. Some of the colors, like this red one, it's not even. That's okay because I'm doing swatches, and I use this beautiful Shein clean sponge, as you can see, filled with beautiful red and pigmentation, and I'm gonna clean it up right away before the color stays in. So as you can see, the colors are so beautiful. There is only one thing that I read from a while, but I didn't really believe that until I like swatches these beautiful. Some people would say like after a while, when you have these vinyl ink for a while, the colors begin to lose the bay out and begin to have a little bit of strike, like become more diluted somehow. And yeah, this is right, because some of the colors really did good bay out, like Royal, like this one, it's really strong, really nice. But for Wicked, for example, and Koi, I remember some of them have these like gaps when I apply it, so I need to reapply the color to give me the good bay out. So I have them from a while. Maybe I need to buy a new one for a color I already have, to compare the new one and the one that I have from a while to confirm this or not, because I really can't remember. But actually some of them begin to like become a little bit in the beige color, like from the first use, as I remember. Okay, so it's not really confirmed, but yeah, maybe. Some of these color really needs a lip liner underneath, so you have a nice beige of the color, and some like don't, like Royal don't need any lip liner, but Wicked really need lip liner underneath to give you a nice color. The Wicked reminds me of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Monte Carlo, which I really love. It's kind of the same color. I love this color so much. So yeah, this is for these swatches and the quick review. So I need to confirm this last thing when I buy a new one. And of course I'm gonna make a like a swatch video, like comparing to confirm, or like say no, it doesn't do that. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like these swatches and review video and it was helpful. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and social media. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much, guys. Bye!